Welcome to the AARDY.compare.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, Air India travel insurance. Well, when you buy an Air India flight in the USA, Air India travel insurance is not offered. Well, don't worry, this is actually fantastic news as we can now go and look for some excellent options. Well, in general, whenever we fly in the USA, we are offered flight insurance on checkout, and as we've shown over the years, travel insurance that the airlines offer is normally pretty awful. It's expensive with little coverage. Air India is one of the few airlines that does not try to sell their passengers trip insurance, and we think that is great. Well, flight insurance that is sold by an airline does not offer protection that includes cancel for any reason cover. It also tends to offer very little in the way of work cancellation cover. So given that Air India does not try to sell travel insurance is pretty good news. Customers are now free to choose, and let's do exactly that. So we ran an example with a flight looking in May from San Francisco to Delhi and then heading back to California after a couple of weeks. So we scoured some of the seat options on the Air India website, and our seat ended up costing us a total of $1,820. Well, this is an expensive flight, so let's look at protecting this. So when we run a quote on AARDY Compare, we can see 15 different plans. In our world, we tend to think of travel insurance as either silver, gold, or platinum. Silver tends to have limited benefits. Gold tends to fit most people most of the time. 70% of customers actually buy a gold plan. And platinum tends to include very high medical limits and also cancel for any reason insurance. So let's look at the options. The silver option, well, we would pick the ITI Lite product. This has, for $55 of cost, it has 100k of medical sickness cover and 250k of medical evac. The gold plan, we'd have probably picked our TII Worldwide Trip Protector. It's $77. It also offers hospital of choice as a benefit. Now, we think this is a pretty good benefit, given that the patient has then the choice of where they're treated. And remember that the majority of customers will choose this type of plan. And finally, within the platinum sort of offering, the final level of protection would be the platinum. So in this instance, we would probably pick the ITI Travel LX plan, and it has that cover for cancel for any reason. Now, this plan would come in at $116. Do remember that insurance plans are quoted based on age, destination, and trip length, so older customers spending more time in the country will be charged more by an insurance carrier. Now, we love Amazon and are fans of Expedia, and comparison shopping is simple. So sites like AARDY Compare do exactly the same for travel insurance. So would you like to visit each travel insurance carrier directly? Of course not. So take the Amazon-like travel insurance experience at AARDY. So when buying trip insurance, which should you choose? Well, that's the beauty of insurance comparison. You get to see all the best prices in the market, and the beauty is that you won't find the same trip insurance plan available at a better price. Price certainty is guaranteed as a result of anti-discriminatory laws in the US. Safe travels.